I'm going to tell you how to make a website. Okay, so let's start from scratch from the beginning. So HTML. Okay, so we have to make a website using HTML. So I'll show you how to make a website. HTML/HTML. Okay, then after that you can give title slash to end with slash title. Okay, so here in this I will give a title as my website. So let me save this file. So the editor which I am using is the Notepad++. Okay, so let me save this file. Save. So I'll save this file on my desktop and I will name it as website.html. Okay, we have to save this in the extension HTML, then save. So I'll just click on run, launch in Chrome. So this is the title updated here, my website. So whatever title we are going to put here, it is going to take. If you just put website, it will be website. Okay, see, it's website. And if you put whatever you put here, title will be updated there. Okay, so this is the use of title. And next, body. Next comes the body, and end it with slash body. So this is our body, this part. Okay, everything is called as body. Whatever you put in body will be reflected here in the body. So let me put style. I'll use the inline CSS. I'm going to do a separate tutorial on CSS. Okay, so how to use the coloring and all. CSS is very important, because without using CSS we cannot see the color on the website. So that important CSS is. So I'm going to do some other tutorial for CSS and separate tutorial for HTML. So now let's see how to make a website. Style. This is style. This inline CSS. Okay, so I am just using the inline CSS in body. Style is body background color. Background color is, let's say, any color, green or something. Let me refresh this. You can see it has turned to green color. Similarly, any color. It's yellow now after putting it into yellow. So I'll go to Google and I'll just pick up the color. We can use the color codes also. HTCSS color picker. Okay, so we'll go to color picker. See here, whatever color we want, we can take just the code of the color and then we can use it. So let me select my favorite color. This looks good. Okay, let's say I want to use this color, so I'll use this color code here. and save it. Control S for save. And now let me refresh. You can see the color has appeared here. So this is the use of color codes. Okay, so now I don't like this color, so what I'll do is I'll put some other color. You can select the color from here also. Okay, this color looks fine, so let me select this color. Okay, and refresh it. So this color looks fine, and like many of the users don't know like what's the editor I'm using. So for who don't know about this editor, it's Notepad++. You can download and install it from Google. I'll show you. Notepad++. See, you can download and install it from here. After that, you can download it from here. So I have already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not doing it again. So it looks like this, and you can start and ready to code. So where we were making a website, and we have given the background color of the website. So now here I want to give the details of the website, like home, about us, client, services, contact us, like how we normally see in a website. Okay, so for that I'll take a table. Okay, table/table. If you have any doubts, you can just comment in this video and I'll be there to help you. Table. In this table I'll take a row. Okay, and in this row I'll take data td/td. Okay, this will be home or home page. Let me save it and show you how it appears. It appears this way, right? Then next will be about us, then third one will be client, then what are the services, and then contact. About us, clients, okay, then services, and contact us. Let me save this and see how it looks. Okay, so it looks good. So everything is merged, and we want it to be separated. They like between home and about us there should be space, between about us and client there should be space, between, so we need a space. So this totally is 100%, right? From beginning to ending is 100%, and This is 100%, and home will occupy 20% of the space, like 1 2 3 4 and 5. So home will occupy 20% of the space. 20 into 5 is 100. So let me give everyone 20% of the width. So I will give table width equal to 100%, and table row also should be 100%. In that table data should get a width of only 20%. I have divided it. I have given home 20%, about us 20%, will contact us 20%. So 20%, 20%. Okay. So now after saving it, let's refresh. So you can see everything has got 20%, like home, about us, client, services and contact us. But it does not look fine, good, right? We want it to be in a box. So let me add it in a box. For adding it in a box, what we can do, so in a table I can give style. This is nothing but called as inline CSS. There is external CSS also. Okay, so types of CSS I'll be discussing in the CSS tutorial. So please stay updated if you want to learn about CSS, about HTML, about JavaScript and jQuery. Okay, so I'll give style is equal to border colon 1 pixel solid black. So 1 pixel solid black will be the border. You can see. So let me give more solid. So let's see how it looks now. I have given 3 pixels. Okay, this looks much better. And I want that home, about us, client, services and contact us should have their own boxes. So what I'll do is I'll give it, these are the TDs, right? This is one TD, this is one TD, everything is in TD. So I'll give them 1 pixel of their own border. Okay, so I'll save it now. I hope it looks good. Yes, it's looking good now. Okay, so let me give them a color, like home, about us, client, service centers and contact us. I want that it should have its own color. So I can give background color. Background color is what color? Let me give yellow. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, it's looking good. About us, I'll give it as green. Let me give different colors to different. for about us, I'll give green. Then for clients, I'll give blue. This one I'll give it as pink. You can use color codes also here. And last color gray. Okay, now let me refresh it here, so you can see it looks beautiful. Home, about us, client, services, and contact us. Okay, so in this video only this much. In next video I'll tell you how to add images to the website, how to upload the contents, how to upload the forms in website, and how to submit it. So everything will be covered. Please like, subscribe, and share. Okay, and I hope you like this video. Have a nice day. Bye.